Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today got one final upgrade to the Ranger snowplow setup here. I'm going to replace the roller Fairlead there with a pulley. And this is from KFI. Supposedly that's supposed to really help with using your cable to go up and down. So I'm going to show you what I got and we'll get to the install. Shouldn't be too hard, guys, pretty easy. So here's what I've got right here. It's like I said, KFI product right here. I will link where I got mine, which was Amazon. Basically it is a bracket that's going to bolt on where your roller Fairlead would go. You've got a pulley. There's a bushing, bolt, nut. It's going to go in here like so. Your winch cable is going to go around that. And this looks like bolts here to bolt onto the bracket for the winch. So pretty simple, guys. I'm going to unbolt mine. Okay, so I got to get the Fairlead off here. And in order to do that, I got to take off this one of the rollers has to come off. Forgot, in order to do that, you got to take off one of these. And these are all greasy because they roll, so you don't want them dry. I just don't disassemble the whole thing. I'll put that back together so I can use it in the summertime. Okay, so I got my bracket here. Got my pulley. Oh, let's see here. How is she gonna go? I think it goes like that. I don't exactly know where to put the bolt. Don't really want this thing sitting on my bumper, so I'm going to keep her raise her up a little bit. Let's see here. So, there we go. I decided to go with the most forward hole. I don't really know why I did that, but I did that. So we'll see how she works, I guess. So we'll see how she works. Oh, look at that bracket flex. I don't know about that. So I don't know if that's gonna hold up or not. I mean, that bracket's really flexing. When you flex steel over and over and over and over again, it's really not good for it. These companies, I'm sure they have good intentions on what they're trying to do here, but it seems like this pulley could have been put way further back in this bracket, so it wasn't out here so far. I did move it. I moved it back to the further one, the top reverse one or back one, whatever you want to call it. So I put it there to try to get it closer to the bumper. I mean, I guess I could rest this on my bumper, but then I'm going to scratch my bumper and then it's going to start flaking off my coating. So I don't know what, I don't want to do that either. But yeah, we'll see, guys. We got a storm coming. We'll see, I guess. Like I said, I don't know if I've helped this or hurt this. You know, if I'm saving the cable, but then my bracket goes to crap on me. I don't know what good it did me, but we'll see, I guess. Okay, so one more piece of information that will be helpful. I was kind of confused a little bit myself when I was looking to buy this. They have a standard one and they have a wide version of this pulley bracket. I'm using the wide version because my mount is for a 4,500 pound winch. So I think 4,500 pound and up, you need the wide version, which is 6 inches on center, bolt to bolt here. The standard version, I think, is for your 3,500 pound and under winches. I'm not positive on that, but I'm pretty sure that's the way it works. So you need the wide one if you got like a 4,500 pound and up. If you got a 3,500 pound and under, I'm guessing you're going to need the standard one. I guess that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you.